How to install VN Video Editor on your iOS device. Ready to start making awesome videos on your iPhone? Let's get VN Video Editor installed on iOS in just few quick steps. First, head over to the App Store on your iPhone. Now tap on the source icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here at the top, you can see the search bar. Tap on it and type in VN Video Editor. Once you type it in, hit search. Now look for the app that says VN Video Editor. Once you find it, tap on it to open the details page. Here you can see the Get button. Tap on it to begin the installation. Once the installation is completed, you can open it and use it. Is this your go-to mobile editor? Or are you just trying it out? Drop a comment and let me know. And that's how you can install VN Video Editor on iOS. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.